Ahoy, navigators! Did you know that even if your ship is pointing one way, it might actually be moving somewhere else? That's because of the sea's invisible force, the current. Today, let's break down two key terms every mariner must know: set and drift. Section 1. What is set? Set is the direction the current is pushing your vessel, expressed in degrees true. Think of it like the current's heading. If the set is 090 degree true, that means the current is flowing toward the east. Section 2. What is drift? Drift is the speed of the current measured in knots. It tells us how fast the water is pushing the vessel in the direction of the set. So, if the drift is 2 knots, that means the current is carrying the ship 2 nautical miles per hour. Section 3. Why it matters. Why does this matter? Well, even if your ship is heading 000 degree, true or due north, a current might be setting you to the east. If you ignore set and drift, you could end up off course, which is risky near land, reefs, or ports. Section 4. How to apply set and drift. To apply set and drift, start by plotting 2 positions. 1. Your dead reckoning DOC position, where you think you should be. 2. Your estimated position EP, where you actually are. The line between these 2 points gives you the direction of that line is the set. The distance over time is the drift. At 0800 hours, your vessel is traveling on a course of 000 degree, true at a speed of 6 knots. Using the formula distance equals speed multiplied by time, the distance from the initial position will be 6 nautical miles. This will be your dead reckoning position at 0900 hours. Due to the effect of the current, your actual position will be to the right of your DR position. This is your estimated position, or EP. The line connecting the initial position and the estimated position represents your course, made good and speed made good. Connect the 2 positions with a line. Transfer this line to the compass rose. The direction of this line is your set. Measure the length of the line and convert it to speed. This gives you the drift. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop anchor in the comments below with your questions. This is Maritime Academia, helping you navigate smarter every voyage.